Hello, hello, Mom and Dad Meet World. So today I am working on a heat and AC window unit that I just put in, and specifically connecting the Wi-Fi because we went through the GE appliance connectivity app piece for my model, which is the GP08. And if you have a similar model, a similar GE connected Wi-Fi device, something you should know is that the Wi-Fi connected Bluetooth dongle is not fully connected during shipping. So as you can see, my unit's brand new. Literally just pulling the initial startup tape off of it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate the dongle, which I know because I have already installed one of these in another room, by pulling down on the front cover. This is also where your grill is that you'll clean for maintenance cycles. So that lifts up and out. Turn towards yourself, up and out. And over here on the left-hand side below this GE is actually your Wi-Fi dongle. Ironically, I say the left-hand side. Mine was actually just loose laying here. Must have popped off in shipping, so I'm really glad we checked. That makes this easier to show you that this is not actually fully connected. So as you can see, it's just literally sitting in here about 3/4 of the way in, like that. And that little click, I don't know if you heard it or saw it from going from that to that, is the difference between this working and not working. I'm going to put it back where it's supposed to go, which is along this wall. There's a little clip right here. So I'm just going to slide this back in here. From the bottom up. And now I'm going to put it in pairing mode. So what I'm going to do... So what I'm going to do to put it in pairing mode is I'm going to, one, encourage you install the app. The app is called Smart HQ, and I'll actually show you what the app looks like. It's this right here, the pink icon down here on my left. So I'm going to pop that open, ignore all of my fast food habits. So I'm going to press the power, turn it on, and I'm going to go home. I'm going to hit the plus button. I'm going to go scanning nearby appliances, built-in Wi-Fi, air products, in case you guys didn't see that and I went too fast. Built-in Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity, air products, built-in window AC unit. Right now I'm going to go light is not blinking. It'll tell me to unplug the unit, wait a minute, plug it back in, press the Wi-Fi button. What I found is you press the Wi-Fi button one time, press and hold it for about 3 seconds until it starts flashing. Light is blinking. We'll give it a second and see if it actually stays blinking. Try again. Stop adding. Go to the plus. Scanning nearby appliances. 1. There we go. It popped right up as connect. So press 1 hold, get it to flash. Right now it's asking me if I want to pair. I'm telling it yes. It seems very kludgy, and quite frankly it is. It's asking for my network name. I'm going to key into my network. It's going to put this on my actual network. And then it's going to allow me to use the app versus the physical remote control to control my temperature and my settings. So it took last time about 45 seconds to a minute. It's taking about the same amount of time. It's adding the appliance is grabbing my network information, it's encrypting it. But what I would tell you is, it's the sequence of press it till it enables the Wi-Fi pair and then press it again until this light flashes and stays flashing. You might have to power it off and on a few times to get it to do it while you're actually pairing it in app mode. I did find that the light didn't want to stay flashing if I wasn't in the app. You'll see your front panel go completely dark. That's normal. It's actually finishing its pairing mode. It's doing kind of a reboot internally. Now it's telling me congrats, I'm all set up. I'm going to say get started. It's got air conditioner, because like I said, I had paired one earlier. So I'm going to grab this one right here at the bottom because I think this is my new one. It tells me my filter status is good. energy schedule, everything. I'm going to change my temperature from energy save to fan only to low. Turn the fan to high just for funsies. It's asking update available also. It does software updates for you, which is pretty great. I'm going to tell it to apply my software update. Apologize for the noise. I'm going to put this cover back on while it's doing software update, because if you bought something that's sitting on the shelf for any length of time, there's almost always an update. And the great thing with connected devices is you get the newest, latest, and greatest firmware to go with things. I'm not going to turn that off because it is updating, as you can tell by my phone. All right, so the update was successful, so I'm going to say okay. I'm going to go ahead and just power that off. Yes. And while that's powering off, I want to tell you why we shot this video. So we shot this video because we had a hard time pairing it. And the reason we had a hard time pairing it was because the dongle was disconnected. Now, we looked online, we searched apps, or searched just YouTube, Reddit, other things to see if something on this model made sense. We went through the manual. I actually got on the phone with GE support and spent like 10 times literally being looped through, hold on, you need someone else in technical support. Because the first thing it tells you in the app when it doesn't pair is to call us. And I tried all the steps you're supposed to do, followed all the rules, and nowhere, anywhere did anybody mention that the Bluetooth dongle didn't come connected. And then I remembered I have a Mr. Cool heat and AC in my main part of my house, and that came with a Wi-Fi dongle that was not connected as well. And so, lo and behold, we looked online, and there were similar models of this that had Wi-Fi dongle. So we pulled the front cover off and located easily. And I wanted to share that with you because if this frustrated me, and I'm pretty tech savvy, I wouldn't want you to return a product for having a broken Wi-Fi when in reality is nothing's broken. You just need clear instructions on how to set it up. Because the press and hold to power, the reset, we went through all those steps, left it off for 2 or 3 minutes, but you can't make something work that's not plugged in, and the Wi-Fi dongle not being plugged in definitely will prohibit your Wi-Fi from working. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, comments, like, share, comment, subscribe. It helps us bring you new content. And until next time, bye for now. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your, heat and AC ads for the season.